Alright, so, that being said, I may even add a little Silky Rose to this. I hate that Chanel quit making Silky Rose, y'all, because it is it is this color. It is pink. Pink purple. And they don't have anything else like it in the line. I think I already tried Light Rose and Sensual Rose. And it's not the same as Silky Rose. But clearly it has more pink to it. And then put on your gloss. I think it's the shine and it sets the product. Okay. Feeling happy. Feeling very happy. Okay. What did I need to do? Oh, blend down. I do need to blend down some here. So I'm just going to take a blending brush or crease brush, whatever. Just something that's got a little texture to it, but it's mostly fluffy because I need to blend out right there where that color just stopped. I didn't blend that very well. That looks much better. Just kind of blend it all together. Yeah, it looks better. What do y'all think? See how that's just kind of splotchy right there versus blended. That's the difference. You want to blend it really good, even there. And I usually like to come out going in like that. Yeah, looks a lot better blended. Okay, so we have the look. Now we're going to put on some lashes. And do I even have an eyelash curler? Why would I not have an eyelash curler in this room? I never understand it. I need it so many times. Y'all been with me when I didn't have an eyelash curler. What is up with that? I need to get some coffee. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use this product. This is the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. Waterproof. Love it. One thing you can do is just make sure you swirl it around real good in there and get it nice and good and wet. And then just tip out the ends. But because I didn't curl them first, I am going to go ahead and comb this out and bend backwards. So watch, I'm going to comb and bend. Comb and kind of bend. Comb and bend. That's what I'm doing, is try to give a curled look. The inner corner going towards the nose, outer corner going towards the ear. Fan it out. And that almost has an eyelash curl look. Wiggle, wiggle down to get through the lashes. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle down, down. Wiggle, wiggle down. We'll let that dry, and then we're going to come back and tip out the lower lashes as well. Never go in and out. Always go round and round inside the barrel to get the brush loaded to make it real wet so that it will dry and it will hold that curled position. Considering I didn't even curl my lashes, it may not do very well, but we're trying. I'm doing it very slow and kind of pushing back towards the crease. So we'll kind of tip the ends first to make sure it goes all the way to the end. We don't miss color anywhere. I'm almost closing my eyes so I can bend and not hit the brow with my lashes. Again, pointing these towards the nose and this towards the ear. One last huzzah. There we go. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, 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 wiggle down. Wiggle down. That just fills in all those little in between the hairs real good. And that's the finished look. Now you could stop right here. Y'all know I'm a big person on mascara. So I'm going to do one more round. But this is the look. What do y'all think? So this is a different look. I mean, this isn't the kind of look I normally wear. This is very red and very solid. I usually have a light color on my lid and just a dark color in the crease. So this is different for me, and the shading is very different for me. But because I have green eyes, I do think it helps pop your green eyes when you use shades of red, pink, and even peach. I do. Okay. Wow. See what that does when you pull it out? There's almost too much that time. Okay. But I am using this to tip out the lower lashes. So squint so that they don't hit your skin. Tip them out. And then use the tip just to go straight down with it, from the straight down. Like that. Let's see how that almost does it even better. And I'm going to do one last pull backwards. And hopefully, I'm kind of rolling this, if you'll notice, because I want to get the wet part on the lash. There. That almost looks like they are curled, y'all. Did pretty good to do it that way. Why did that work? Because this is waterproof, and as it dries, it's drying things in the position that they're in. That's why I like them. Oops, I'm tipping down here. Tipping the lower lash line. Some older ladies don't like to do their lower lashes because it makes you look younger, supposedly. I think it has right the opposite effect. I think it ages you not